classes will start from next academic session.
The College of Teacher Education, PGT, Shillong on Tuesday kick-started its Diamond Jubilee celebration at a program held at the auditorium of the college. The celebration was graced by the presence of the Education Minister, Rakame Sangma. Sangma, in his inaugural speech, lauded the institute for rendering its services in producing thousands of teachers who are serving the state in the education sector and in providing a platform for the teachers to specialize in the art of teaching. During the program, the chief guest, along with other dignitaries, unveiled the College Diamond Jubilee logo and theme.
I would like to
I see many distinguished, experienced, retired professor, serving professor, the faculty members, and all the brilliant young students. We should design ourselves to be the best among the best on the globe. We have the capacity. We have the capacity. We have the talents. We have the resources. But let us contribute what we have, the best for the generation of youngs that is coming behind us for tomorrow.
Former MLA and President Motion Road MDC